Instead of just repeating what it says on the box, I'm setting you up with some must-have accessories because Apple still doesn't include a charger in the box. So let's check it out. Don't worry, I won't forget about you ASMR addicts. Even I still enjoy opening one up because there's nothing like the fresh scent of an iPhone straight out of the box. If you are curious what's inside, up top is this tiny piece of paper packet with a free stick of metal, usually used for opening your SIM card tray, but that's completely optional. Because if you're looking for an actual SIM card tool to carry around, check out the Lever Gear cable kit. At about the size of a stick of gum, it's got one of those poking tools hidden in the back, but better yet, around front is a full-fledged cable, short and stubby like you're used to, but still fairly sturdy. There's even storage space and room for an adapter inside as well. So that's 2 cables in one. Speaking of which, yes, unfortunately Apple does still include a lightning cable, and while it works, it's not the easiest to carry around. So to replace that, I recommend clipping the inCharge 6 cable straight onto your keychain because it starts off as a regular cable. Then, whoop-bam! Each end has another cable hidden inside. That's like cableception, all in a tiny package that magnetically stays together. I doubt you can name another tool that's this useful. That's about the size of my finger. Go ahead, leave a comment. Thankfully, Apple still includes their giant sticker in case someone mistakes your loyalty for them. Personally, I think it's a great way to trick your friends into thinking you can afford an Apple Watch too. Onto the iPhone itself, and I'll admit, this peel isn't as satisfying to do anymore. 3 out of 10 on that experience. But here it is. However, if you want to know how it works, I recommend you go watch MKBHD or Dave2D. My main concern with this video is helping you keep it safe. Thanks to the partner of this video, Casetify, and their range of protective cases. However, they do offer screen protectors and even a camera lens cover for the full 360 degrees of coverage, and you and I know your butterfingers need it. The camera lens protector is as you'd expect. With the camera being so important on the new iPhone 14 series, these offer scratch and fingerprint resistance while maintaining that crispiness in your OOTD photo. The same goes for around front. Although AppleCare does now offer unlimited repairs, you can just spend a few extra dollars now to avoid having to repair your phone altogether. Their tempered screen protectors offer 9H scratch resistance, some fancy blue light filters with fingerprint resistance too, and honestly, some very interesting branding I've never seen anywhere else before, and I kinda dig it. All that without compromising the touchscreen itself. Still clean and clear and under control. Only the 90 kids will understand that reference. To complete the trifecta of clumsiness protection, slap on one of their many designs to choose from. Like this one to secretly hint to your partner without getting in trouble. This is their impact case. Slimmer and lighter than the others, but just as protective for your day-to-day drops. Plus, as someone who's owned hundreds of cases, it's pretty cool to see that these are made from recycled ones. I wonder if my old one lives on in here. All their cases still have their signature camera ring, keeping your lenses raised with that instantly recognizable logo placement, which at this point is sort of a cult status symbol now. However, if you really suck at holding things, there's their new Bounce series, offering shoulder pads made of their EcoShock material. Basically a fancy way of saying this case can handle drops from up to 21 feet. So for the 3 of you who own a second floor, yeah, you'll be alright. We'll dive more into their lineup later, but just know there's probably a design to choose from for literally anyone out there. And if you are interested, links and discount codes in the description down below. Now I have to share one of my favorite MagSafe accessories that I use on a daily basis, the Pop Socket MagSafe Pop Grip. Basically a regular pop socket, but with magnets. And don't worry, they are very strong magnets. Plus, since they didn't make a mini iPhone 14, with this, you no longer have to pull a muscle to reach the other side of the screen one-handed. And don't worry, it still works great for those late night hands-free activities too. Now when you watch as much as I do though, you want to make sure your iPhone is juiced up. That's where the Ugreen 65 watt fast charger is a must. You're getting 3 fast charging ports instead of just 1. Great to pair it with your Apple Watch charger and any other vibrating massage tools by your bedside table too. But while on the go, I'm a fan of tiny batteries that don't weigh me down. So the Zendure 5000 mAh is more than enough packed into the size of a lipstick container. Paired with your handy short cable, you can continue scrolling through TikTok without dealing with any dangling wires. Lastly, this is just an all-around tool that everyone needs for only about $12. A stand, tripod, mount. Basically, if you want to set your phone at any angle or position, this can do that for you without breaking the bank. A no-brainer if you're traveling on a plane, sit at your desk all day, or even just shooting TikToks about spinning fidget toys. No judgment here. Don't forget, discount codes down below, and if you want more iPhone content, watch this. But that's it. I rest my case. As a bonus for watching this far, here's how I wanted to unbox it, but it just didn't work out as I imagined. Maybe next year.